goodness, what do we have here, guys? When I tell you this was one of the dirtiest jobs we've ever done, I am not joking, guys. Check this shower out. Would you be happy jumping in the shower and, cleaning yourself and it looks like this? I just don't understand people sometimes. But hey, listen, this is why we're here. Look at this beautiful transformation. This is just a sneak peek, guys. Stick around so you can see the whole video. This is the living room. As you can see, there were, you know, stains from all sorts of things. I don't know if they had fights with red wine. I don't know if they were using their bikes on the floor, doing service and stuff. This is what came out of our machine. But listen, our team did an incredible job. Watch this kitchen. Check out this kitchen. Okay, okay, cool, cool, cool. Let's check out the fridge. All right, okay, all right, okay. We can sort this out. We can work with this. That's fine. Oh my goodness. Whoa, that oven. Oof, oof. The cupboards, the oven. The oven has seen better days, no? Hey, this is one of our workers here. Oh my god, look at that door. Wow. Imagine bringing a girl back to this place, huh? God damn. All right. This shower is definitely better than the last one. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. Okay, guys, so welcome to this video. My name is Nathan, and this is going to be a before and after. As you just saw, the stairs were very, very, very heavily soiled with uh, oil from bike chains. The lads that lived at this property, they were bringing their bikes in, and they didn't want to get them stolen. They live in London, so what they did was they brought them in inside to keep them safe, but they ruined their carpets. However, don't worry, we're gonna fix their carpets. That's not an issue for us. Here's the machine. It's the ProChem Galaxy, guys. And we have a Hoover over here, a Melee. These Hoovers are the best in the game. If you ever want to get a Hoover like that, I highly recommend it. So the upstairs bedroom weren't too bad. They didn't carry their bikes, luckily, upstairs. So the upstairs bedrooms weren't too bad. Obviously, they still had to be cleaned properly and also carpet cleaned. The property had all carpets to be included, but just wait for this right here, guys. This is what you've been waiting for. This is the bathroom of doom. When I tell you the smell that was coming in here, oof, that toilet has seen better days, right? And check out this shower. Oh my goodness. But listen, just stick around and you're going to see the results that our team managed to pull off. Safely to say, guys, these customers got their deposit back in full because, you'll see the results after and you can decide for yourself whether we did a good job or not. Our team worked extremely hard and, yeah, they absolutely smashed this job. So stick around and we're about to see, what the transformation is going to be like. Yeah, this is the living room carpet again. It's pretty bad, pretty bad. Looks like there was a fair few parties that happened at this property. They probably lived it up well, but the carpet took a hit. I can't lie to you. This carpet definitely took a hit. You can see multiple stains everywhere. Yeah, it was just fairly bad, fairly bad. What can I say? The kitchen. When you look from far, it doesn't look that bad, but it's all the small details, guys. That's what's important. Look at the tray inside. That gets cleaned inside the rubber dinghy gets cleaned. The fridge will get a total complete transformation. You're gonna see very very soon. So stick around. Look at this oven, man. This oven was disgusting. The cupboards as well. Look at that where they were cooking. The sauces, the oil was just flying up, hitting everything. We cleaned dishwashers as well, so the dishwasher will get a clean inside as well. Sinks, cupboards, inside every cupboard. I'm not going to show you every single cupboard because that's very long and we don't want to sit here looking at every single cupboard. But check out this door. Check out this door. Wow, 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 we were. I'm not sure if they were cleaning their hands or not, but hey, it is what it is. This is why we're here. We clean doors, door frames, skirting boards, windows, toilets, obviously, showers, tiles everywhere. This bathroom is not as bad as the other one. However, the shower head was very, very bad. And this is another bedroom here. The carpets, once again, very bad. All the carpets were getting professional carpet cleaning. Yeah, we had to open up the windows to air it out. And look at this, guys. This is the transformation that we have. These stairs, do you remember the stairs that we saw at the beginning? These are the same stairs, man. There's no more stains. Can you believe that? Wow. The landlord probably thought he's gonna have to replace the carpets. However, when you book a professional Carpet cleaning service, we can work wonders on your carpets and we can bring them back to life, baby. We can bring them back to life. Look at these carpets. There is a little stain there. However, that stain would not come out for anything. I think that's an old stain, very stubborn one, and it would not come out for anything, guys. However, these are the upstairs bedrooms. Everything is being cleaned well. You will see some marks on the walls, guys, and painted walls. Usually, we don't clean unless the customer says, I want you to clean the painted walls. And if you cause a damage, then we are responsible and we take, responsibility for the damage. Because if my cleaners start cleaning a painted wall, then they damage it. And then we say, oh, then, the customers might say, you've damaged it. This is another room, other bedroom, also carpet cleaned, skirting boards done, doors, door frames, windows from inside. Everything's been professionally cleaned. And this is the moment you guys have been waiting for. Let's check out this bathroom because I'm just excited. When you do a good job for a customer and you see the results, it just makes me happy. It makes the customers happy, it makes the landlord happy. And this is what we're here to do, man. We're here to provide a good service. Wait for the toilet. Oh my goodness, guys. What do we think of that? Do you remember what it looked like? I might have to stick some pictures of before and after in here because, wow, let's have a look at this. Look at the rail. The rail is shining, baby. Oh my goodness. Look at this shower, guys. I can fully jump in there and have a shower. There is no more smell, by the way. The smells were all gone. The landlord must have thought, wow, these guys are incredible. How have they turned this property around, huh? Let me know in the comments. What do you think? Have the cleaners done a good job? Did we do a good job at this property? Let us know because your feedback is gonna be good for us. We wanna keep doing these videos and we want to show you more of these type of results. So yeah, this bathroom is looking immaculate in my opinion. You let me know if you spotted anything. When a property is to this level of this level of dirtiness, it's very hard sometimes to get rid of every single little stain. Like the carpets will have some stains because they've been abused so much that you can't literally make them brand new. They need to be cleaned once and then another time and then another time, and then eventually they will become but even then you still might not be able to get everything out. Here we're just gonna walk downstairs now and check out the kitchen, check out the rest of the property, and see how everything is looking. If you remember the living room carpets, they were also very filthy, and there was a massive red wine stain. The carpets, like I said, they're not gonna be completely brand new. However, they are pretty much brand new. Look at these carpets. Like the red stain, you can still see a little bit. However, if you go back to the beginning and see what the carpets look like, wow, it's a completely big difference, guys. Huge difference. Um, yeah, just having another little look here just to show you guys a good view. And we're gonna walk to the kitchen now. Check out the kitchen, guys. Look at this. It's shining. It's ready for the new owners. New owners or new tenants. Whoever's coming in, they're gonna enjoy this place. All right, let's have a look at this fridge. Brand spanking new, baby. That's how we do it every time, guys. Every time. So every time the cleaners go to a job, they take before and after pictures. Sometimes the customers say, "Why do you do that?" Well, we need to take the pictures because we can't be present at every job, and that way we know that our cleaners have done a good job, and that way we obviously. Do you remember this cupboard as well? Look at the cupboard, brand spanking new, man. Everything is shining. This is what we want to do. We wanna bring the property back to life, guys. Back to life. Everything is shining, and we just have one more bathroom to show you. Remember this door as well? Okay, maybe we're not going to show you the door, but we'll see the door after. This was the little box room. Carpets also steam cleaned here as well. You can just see the carpets. It's just fresh. Once you clean the carpets, it disinfects them as well, gets rid of the bacteria. So it's really good. Look at this door. This door is shining. It's white as it should be. Not like it's just a pleasure seeing this video now. Let's have a look at this bathroom. Wow, look at the door, man. Look at the door. Look at the sink. Everything is shining. This is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Yup. Exactly. Shower head. Yup. Looking clean. Insane results. Insane results. Our team worked extremely hard. They worked until 7 p.m. So just this video took us a long time to make, guys. And look, if you ever need a end of tenancy clean in London, hit us up because we will transform your property. And also, it doesn't matter how big your property is, guys. We recently cleaned a £35 million mansion in central London. We had 12 cleaners on site, with two managers, myself being present. So, like, for us, it doesn't matter how big the job is or how small the job is. We take all kinds of jobs on, right? So, for us, the main thing is to provide a good quality service for you guys to get your deposit back and for everybody to be happy. So, if you have a job that you need doing, contact us. You can call us, you can go on our website, you can book online, and we'll be looking forward to helping you in the future with any work that you may need. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, hit the thumbs up, guys. Share this content with somebody. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Was this a good transformation? Did we do a good job? And yeah, for now, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you soon.